welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use TikTok business the right way in 2025 to actually grow your brand. A lot of people waste time treating TikTok like Instagram, but here is the smarter play. First, set up a TikTok business account. It unlocks analytics, the commercial music library, and built in ad tools. Then, don't just post random trends. Study TikTok Creative Center to see what formats are performing in your niche right now. Next, use TikTok Ads Manager to test small campaigns. But instead of pushing sales right away, run engagement or traffic ads that warm people up with content that feels native to TikTok. Once you see what clicks, scale with conversion ads linked straight to your Shopify or landing page. And here's the secret most people miss: TikTok rewards consistency and fast testing. Post daily, track the analytics, and let the data guide your strategy. That's how businesses are going viral and profitable in 2025. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more growth strategies.